Loquat trees are tropical fruit trees that can grow up to 25 feet in height. They also produce a sweet, tangy fruit that is delicious when eaten fresh or made into jams and jellies. This video will teach you how to start Loquat from seeds indoors, so keep watching. If you want to grow a loquat tree from fruit you already have, you need to start by pulling the seeds out of the fruit. Most loquats have 3 to 5 seeds in them. The seeds are fairly large and brown, and won't need to be stratified or scored them like some other seeds do. Simply dry them for a couple of days and they are ready for planting. Another option for loquat seeds is to purchase them. You will need some containers with draining holes and good quality seeds starting. Fill each container half with soil. No matter which type of container you choose, it's important to remember that good soil is the key. Using a loose, fertile, disease-free soil mix is a basic key to success when starting loquat seeds indoors. Plant 3 seeds in each container. By planting 3 seeds in each container, it gives you a greater chance of at least one seed sprouting. Cover the seeds about an inch with soil. Water the seeds after you plant them in their containers. Keep watering them lightly once a day until they begin sprouting. Loquat seed germination works best in a bright, warm environment. Place your containers in a well-lit place at least 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 degrees Celsius. Germination time is about 30 days. Be patient and expect to wait several years for the tree to bear fruit. If your goal is to get fruit from the tree, you're going to have to wait a while. Fruit may arrive as early as 4 to 5 years after planting. You can even plant this amazing tree in a big container and grow it as a house plant. Happy organic gardening!